Kansas. Pomona State Park. It's pretty empty here today. I think it's Monday. And it's super hot outside. So I decided today I would stay in and do a couple of things inside the TrailManor. First thing I did was changed my box fan from sitting on that counter right there. It was just in the way, took up counter space, didn't like it, so I put it up there. It's zip tied. Let me show you. The noise is probably pretty bad, but I zip tied it up here so if it wiggles loose, it's not going to fall completely to the ground. And when I close down the TrailManor, this is loose enough, it'll just slide right off this area here. The bathroom now gets cool air blowing in it, which before it didn't because this flap. But now it gets air from here. Plus, I have the air blowing down this way from the air conditioner. So the air conditioner blows this direction, and then the fan blows it down and hopefully back into the bedroom area. And then I reorganized this. I put all my cooking utensils, my spices, Ziploc bags in here. And then this drawer has packaged foods and stuff. This bottom drawer is kind of a catch-all for tools and things I want to do, flashlights, just kind of a junk right here. Holds my meds, toiletries, just little things. Anyway, I cut it off so it would fit in the shower. Then I hung it up on the wall. Then a while back I bought this shower curtain and I put it all the way around. I bought 2 of them. I put it all the way around and I hooked the 2 together here, used a shower curtain hook right there to hook my shower nozzle to, so I don't have to hold it now. And then this wraps around this way and hooks onto this hook. That's why it's not hooked together. It was pretty long, so I cut it off at a level so that the water would just kind of go down. Works pretty good. The bottom part of that cupboard held, let's see, one of those Walmart or Costco waters. So that worked out pretty good. So that's just a little update, how I've been organizing things. I will probably be in this park for about 10 days-ish. $21 a night, which is cheaper than anything I've ever stayed at. The next place I'm going to is $10 a night. But they don't have space that I can get right now. So, anyway, I'm going to get this video edited. I'm sure it needs a lot. And I will be back later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everyone. And make the bathroom white, black, and gray. Anyway, here's what I've done so far. These are just stick and peel. You peel them off the paper and stick them on. Get in here. Anyway, this piece here goes around a corner. And then I did this wall, and behind the shower curtain, just some little pretties. Here's the back wall.